Have you ever found yourself drowning in a sea of crumpled receipts, wondering if there's a simpler way to manage your expenses without breaking the bank? We're talking about expense management software, and today, we're diving deep into one of the big names, Expensify. But here's the burning question on many minds. Can you actually use Expensify for free? It's a fair question, especially in a world where free often comes with a hidden asterisk. The short answer, and it's good news for many of you, is yes, you can use Expensify for free. However, like most things in life, there are nuances, different tiers, and specific use cases that determine just how much free you actually get. Let's break it down. For individuals, freelancers, and even very small businesses, Expensify offers a robust free tier. If you're just looking to scan and organize your receipts, track mileage, and perhaps send a few invoices, you're in luck. The new Expensify plan, as it's often referred to, allows individuals to smart scan up to 25 receipts per month for free. This is fantastic for personal budgeting, keeping track of tax-deductible expenses, or managing those occasional freelance gigs. You can email receipts, categorize them, add tags, and even export reports as spreadsheets. It truly simplifies the often dreaded task of expense tracking. But what if you're a growing business, a small team, or a company with more complex needs? This is where Expensify's paid plans, Collect and Control, come into play. While the core individual features remain free, businesses requiring more structured workflows, such as multi-level approvals, corporate card management, direct reimbursements, and integrations with accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, will need to consider a paid subscription. The Collect plan, designed for small teams, typically starts around $5 per user per month. This unlocks unlimited smart scans, automated payments, more comprehensive expense and travel approvals, and vital accounting software integrations. For larger organizations with complex compliance needs, custom expense rules, ERP integrations, and SAML/SSO, the Control plan offers advanced features starting from about $9 per active user per month, with custom pricing available for even larger enterprises. Now, here's a crucial point that can significantly impact the cost for businesses: the Expensify card. Expensify offers its own corporate card, and if your business uses it for at least 50% of its spending, you can often qualify for a substantial discount, sometimes making the Collect or even Control plans effectively free or significantly reduced. This essentially bundles your expense management with your company spending, creating a more integrated financial ecosystem. So, while the free individual plan provides excellent basic functionality for personal and freelance use, businesses will likely find themselves needing one of the paid tiers to leverage Expensify's full power for streamlined operations, robust reporting, and seamless integration with their existing financial systems. It all comes down to your specific needs and how much automation and control you require over your expenses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.